Genesis today unveiled images of the Genesis G80 Sport, the next evolution in its G80 lineup that adds dynamic design elements to its already popular midsize luxury sedan. The G80 Sport builds on the existing G80's foundation of luxurious design and innovative features, while offering a more athletic exterior design that evolves from Genesis' design identity of athletic elegance, with newly added interior and exterior features that set it apart. The G80 Sport will also feature an exclusive new color, Cavendish Red. The name is inspired by a cliffside on the north coast of Prince Edward Island in Canada, while the color was drawn from the area's famous red cliffs. Several unique design features set the G80 Sport apart from base models. The car's front end will feature an exclusive design that can only be found on the G80 Sport, along with a radiator grille in dark glossy chrome, and a three-dimensional wing-shaped front bumper that accents the intake grille. Black bezels around the headlamps also highlight its sporty design. A stunning profile reveals dark glossy chrome applied to all side moldings for a distinctive feeling of athletic luxury.
Subscribe to Auto TV.